YouTube channel. My name is Fiona Katrina, and I feel like it has been absolutely forever since I've even touched my camera. I was like picking up dust from her. I was cleaning off the dust, you guys. Like, I think it's been a few months again. Sorry. A lot's been going on, and I've been wonky off my social media just because so much has been going on that I'm still trying to find a groove to it, but we are slowly but surely getting back. I need to settle down and get into the groove of things because I'm barely in my 4th week of nursing school, which is insane to say. But enough rambling. Today's video is what's in my backpack, nursing school edition. I'm so excited to show you guys what's in my bag because I've always wanted to do these kind of videos, but I never really have like a set of things that I always bring to school besides the basic essentials like iPad, notebook, etc, etc. This is my prize, joy, and possession. She holds absolutely everything you'd ever want and need, and she's a thick girl. I usually just bring my backpack on skills day because it is my longest. I'm in school from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then I go to work right after from 5:30 to 10:30. So I pretty much pack like my whole day life essentials for those 2 days. That's why she's a lot thicker than a lot of other girls' backpack. In my cohort, they usually bring the shoulder bag or they'll use the rolly backpacks they had given us, but I couldn't not bring her. There's a lot to uncover, but let's walk her through. Here I have a pin of my dog. My sister made it. I thought it was cute. I just had to put it on. And she also made this keychain that just looks so cute with everything. I have this Hello Kitty charm. I used to have a turtle hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. She's been lost. I have no idea where she's at, but I did find my old hand sanitizer with my little nursing bag. And then up here, I just have a claw clip that my friend gave me. I think she got this off Etsy too. Like, it's absolutely adorable. Let's go through the goods. This back right here, I have my iPad. In the tuition I paid, they gave us an iPad, but I don't ever use it. I honestly just prefer my personal one just because it has everything that I need and it has a pencil. To be fair, I thought the iPad came with the tuition, was going to have an Apple Pencil with it. Call me greedy, but it didn't come with an Apple Pencil, although it did come with a keyboard. I just always bring my iPad with me at all times. Oh my god. Sorry, my group chat for my cohort, one of the girls just said, guys, ATI will have a maintenance on Saturday through Sunday. It's a long way ahead, but I wanted to give you guys a heads up. Ugh. God, ATI. My worst fucking enemy. Like, I hate ATI. God, it's like an endless world of wonders here. First pick. I have my AirPods because duh. And then I have a small Tylenol because I needed to replace this one. I'm gonna say 2. It only has 2 in here. It is so essential to have any sort of lotion on you because for some reason since starting school, my hands have been so dry. It's so gross. So I always have a set of hand lotion on me at all times. This one is a eucalyptus scent. I hate it. It's so strong. Like, it's so strong and it smells so medicinal that I don't really like it, but I don't have a choice. I don't remember where I put my other hand lotion, but when I do find it, it will be replaced because that's ugh. I have a fidget cube in here because sometimes I cannot sit still. So this is so perfect for my anxiety and when I feel like really bad. I do have blue light glasses. Is she serving? Like, hello? I will only use these if I have my contacts on. I feel like I only have these in case of an emergency because they're not prescriptioned at all. I literally just got these off of Amazon in like a pack of 3. My Summer Fridays lip balm, enough to be said. She's absolutely chef kisses. I have gum. Enough to be said. You don't want stinky breath. You don't want stale breath. You want good, fresh breath. Also, it helps you focus. Gum. Should be a sponsor. My LED light. My pen light? LED light? I don't know. It came in... Are you mesmerized? Like... Enough enough to be said. Like, hello. We've been using it now in skills for our mannequins and one of our checkoffs. And this week and next week, we're having our head to toes. So very important you keep a pen light on you at all times. Last but not least, baby wipes. You never know when you gotta go. You always want to be clean if you gotta go. So always, always, always have baby wipes on me. I think I have baby wipes in every single one of my bags because I do change my bags out a lot. So baby wipes is literally just the essential you're always gonna keep in here. Moving on to the big load, girl. Ugh, endless streak of wonders. First and foremost, we have my lip combo bag. She is so cute. We have my pochaco case, and basically what's inside, girl, is my charger. I have my wallet, of course. I have my pencil pouch. This is her, and then this is in the back. She's a little bit faded. Absolutely adorable. I got this at Miniso. So in here, I'm missing 2 pens that I used to have. I don't know where they are. It's the 4th week. Like, I feel like I'm losing everything. 2 pencils and a Sharpie, all costs. You never know when you need it. We have an endless, like, writing supply. Mini calculator. I have whiteout because we always write in pen and I'm always making mistakes. So I have so many different types of post-it notes whenever we're doing our sign-offs. Just an endless supply of highlighters. I have another bag, surprise, surprise. This one I like to call my essentials go-to everyday bag. Long name, working on it, but she holds everything you would ever need in this world. I like keeping a consistent bag that you can literally take and put in every bag so you're not forgetting the essentials. I also organized this for my clinical bags. We start clinicals in 2 weeks. So I might make a separate video on what I bring in my clinical bag since it will be a lot lighter and more nursing supply based rather than like textbook school based because we'll be at the hospital setting. But I did make this bag specifically for clinicals because they're 12-hour shifts. You want to make sure you have everything that you need, that you're not forgetting any emergency essentials. So I think it's always important to have a bag like this. I have this comb. I do have some lotion just in case, deodorant, Purell hand sanitizer, Tide on the go, floss, and then again, wipies. From before and after, oh my god, she's like light as a feather. I have this ATI modules skills lab. That's where we get checked off for every single one of our skills. I have a mini notebook on me. I don't like keeping the bigger ones just because they do hold up a lot more space, and I like this one because it has like little tabs on it as well. I prize, joy, love planner. Anything you ever take from this video is get a planner. Whether you're starting nursing school or you're starting off college or, oh, my light died. Sorry, changing lighting, my light died. Literally anything, get a planner. It is so important and it really does help write things down physically and you're always constantly checking something. And I got this really cute one off TJ. And then a few things that didn't fit into my bag but I always have on me either in the car or I will find a way to shove them through that are a little bit more nursing school based is my stethoscope. This is the case for it. You don't need to buy a case, but I think if you're spending a lot of money on your stethoscope, it is important to keep it safe and in a well-mannered area. This is her. I haven't named her yet though. I think I really should name her, but I haven't yet. It's a Littman stethoscope. This stethoscope means a lot to me because my boyfriend got it for me and he got it engraved. It basically just says my name and the specialty that I want to go in, which is the NICU. When I was doing my research on what I should buy for nursing school, a lot of them said a clipboard. So I just got this basic trifold off Amazon. It has different like cheat codes, I guess. The pain level scales, and then you have the dilations right here as well. That's basically it. There's a lot in my bag. I feel like a lot of it is just more school essentials and everything that I do bring on a daily, which is a lot. I used to bring like my camera and everything because I think I thought I was gonna be filming as well more, but I just have not had any time at all. It's just been so much. feel like once school starts dying out, because I do go 4 days a week, it'll slowly start being lighter and I'll take more things out. But for now, this is what I have in my bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna put my socials down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you guys have any suggestions or questions about nursing school and how it's been, let me know. Comment down below, or you can go on my socials and text me. I will literally give you every advice that I am capable of giving. I will let you know what I think. Okay, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye! Mwah!